Oh, dude, did you? Oh, no, no, I'm, no, no, no.
Welcome back to Twisted Initiative. If you can't tell, we're working on good old Plow Hog again. It is actually getting close to winter, believe it or not. It'll be here any minute. I think I can take this hat off though because it's 90 degrees in here. And
yeah,
sweating a little.
You were insane for wearing that at the beginning. Anyways, we are working on the Plow Hog. Like Rick said, we need to go and take a look at our boost pump.
Yeah, our brake booster is leaking like a sieve, so it's time for a new one. Good old Hydro Boost. Mike likes Hydro Boost.
They have their moments.
Yeah.
Not right now, but they do.
If you know anything about these year trucks, these things leak all the time, every time you put one on. So, we'll show you how to do it. Put a little light on the subject. Don't mind our under hood house light. Anyways, so the Hydro Boost is this piece back here. And we gotta take the brake booster off and some parts on the inside apart, but we'll show you that later. Mike's got the new one over there he can show you.
I do. This is our new replacement one. I shouldn't say new. It's a reman. Rebuilt.
It's new to us.
Rebuilt. Repainted. Remanufactured.
I don't even think it's painted. Is it painted?
Well, it's pitted. Anyway, this is our remanufactured one. We picked this up from our local auto parts store. It is a reman. It's not a brand new one, but it will and should suit our purposes. They usually leak right where these two are connected here. I'm assuming there's some sort of a gasket in there. Let us know in the comments down below. I've never really taken one apart. Looks like there's a mess already started over there.
Yeah, I pulled this line off and goop everywhere.
Goop?
Yeah, well, power steering fluid. We didn't expect that to be there. Can you get me a bolt?
I was going to say, do you want a pan or something?
Just a bolt. I'll just plug it.
Oh, a bolt?
Yeah.
Okay. This should work for you.
That worked, I think.
Put it in there. There, see? Perfect.
I don't know. Probably not going to leak that much anyways because it's just a return line, but better plugged than not plugged.
For these, they're for some reason two different sizes. One is a 16 millimeter and the other one's an 18.
You should have a line wrench for this. Oh!
Unfortunately, the kit he has skips both sizes we need.
Just so you know, the camera guy is on a huge stool so that he can reach in there. He probably won't pan down because he doesn't want to be embarrassed about I had to talk shit.
Instant karma, buddy. Instant karma.
Seriously.
It's just really funny because you're like laying in my engine bay.
Oh.
Come on, let me. This is Nate filming. Let Mike. Mike, look at you. Same height. Same height. Not a stool. Stool. There you go, Nate. I just want to thank you for breaking my plastics off the top of my motor. But now, how comes the return line had lots of fluid coming out of it? The other ones, not so much. Oh, don't fold it that way, though, apparently.
Those lines look new.
They are new. I should probably put gloves on for this, but whatever. We'd also like to thank Nate's mom for these wonderful shirts she bought us.
Yeah, they are awesome. Look at that. It's
Got her name on it and everything.
Yeah,
like
man.
we're moving up in the world.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nate's mom.
Thanks, Mommy. Was it a 15?
It was a 15. Hopefully I had a ratcheting 15.
That makes it a lot easier.
A lot easier.
Now, anybody doing this,
I'm going to need a 14 too, or 13, because the back side of the bolt is turning.
well, before I get him his wrench, anybody that does these, you can, did that hurt? If your brake lines are not too crispy, you can unbolt these and just move this forward. That's hilarious. You can move this whole reservoir forward a little and just kind of let it sit there. If your brake lines are crispy, however, that's your own risk. So,
yeah, most of these trucks probably have really rotted lines here. Somebody put copper lines on the front of this one.
yeah, this one looks good.
But they do sell stainless steel kits for these lines for the front.
Yes.
They aren't real expensive.
No,
so.
they're great. I have them on the claws and I have them on the Duramax.
So if you do end up having crusty lines, just make sure you buy those before you move this thing because they will leak.
They will totally leak.
Guarantee it. And this will just push off the front. But we're just going to leave it hanging there for now because we have what, 4 bolts on the inside, and a really pain in the butt hook and loop to get off.
Oh, it sucks.
That connects to a NUS pedal.
That's true, but you know what else?
What else?
We got to find out who's going in there.
Nate looks like he's dying for some reason.
Yeah.
Are you in pain?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. What were you saying?
Yeah. I was saying we got to figure out who's going in under the cab to get those bolts out and to get that clip off.
Yeah.
And I think we should do it the old-fashioned way.
We should. Rock, paper, scissors says shoot.
Double or nothing.
No! Oh! He called double or nothing. Let me get it.
If you haven't been on our channel, double or nothing means that we get to beat him with something as a punishment for losing.
I'm really scared.
And we'll see what happens. He gets to play again, and if he wins, he doesn't have to do anything.
I just win.
Don't hit my truck. So, oh, look at them white. God, these things haven't seen the light of day.
Let me step up
Get that
here.
bright ass leg up here. Look at that thing. Hold on. Look at my arm. Look at my leg.
Shut up. I wear jeans a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Do you want to count down? You don't want to count down. Like a 1, 2?
Oh, that was such a pathetic hit.
I don't know about that.
It actually hurt, but it was weird. Like, you hit me, and I'm like, that was it. And then all of a sudden, just, wow.
It did well. It sounded very pathetic compared to when I hit him.
I think you should.
It's welting up, though.
I think you should just do it again. Okay. Yep.
Got him.
That was a good one.
Rock, paper, scissors says shoot.
You lost.
Oh, I didn't realize you were coming all the way in. What are you?
Ah, he's doing the old mechanic thing. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Get this steering wheel up a little bit so you have some room. Hey! That's funny.
I'm ready to work. This pin right here is what we were talking about that has the hook. These guys can't really see it. But right here, there's a hook and everything attached to this plastic bit. You're gonna undo all that. And yeah, that'll be fun.
You get it?
No. Shut up.
You're blinding the viewers.
It's alright, I got the plug undone. Okay. Alright. Now, we wiggle everything off. Like so. Alright. Ah! Now that is all done, there's the 4 bolts. Oh, dude, did you?
Oh, no.
Oh my god, I smell that from out here.
No.
Oh, God. It's burning my eyes. Oh, my God, dude. It's like mustard gas.
I hope the camera picks it up. It was hilarious.
What is wrong with you, man?
Ooh, that was a good one. That was rape.
That was very good.
That was rape.
For the viewers' discretion, this is generally how we normally are.
Oh.
Just saying.
Oh, my
We'll let
God.
it fumigate for a little bit, and then we'll come back to you.
Oh, thanks.
All right, Nate, you gonna go for the traditional out-the-door look this time?
Yeah, I'm starting to get a headache. Oh, look at that. So much faster.
All right, so you got the 4 bolts done. I'll go out and see what Mike's doing.
You can give that a little pull and a little pressure off. There we are. A little wiggle.
Ah, don't break my plastics.
Sorry. Ew, this thing is fugly.
Here we go.
So you know
That
what
should not have to be hammered in. So, as the instructions imply, we should have did this before we put it in, but that's okay. There is a rod, an internal push rod, and a spring and a little retainer that you must pull out of the old one before installing. And you just take a little screwdriver. Be careful because you don't want to bend this too much. Wow! I forgot to put my finger in front of that.
Yeah.
For the viewers, that hit the ceiling and landed over there on the steps.
That's funny right there.
I also did feel it whiz right by my head.
So did I.
Yeah, make sure you keep your finger on that. I totally forgot.
There you go.
Get it?
Hey, Nate's going back under to bolt her in.
Yeah, this is the wonderful installing part. I'm not going upside down. Not doing that again.
He's just going to put the bolts back in, and I'll slow it down to show everybody the struggle he's going to have of putting that clip back on, because that is the worst part of this job. Alright, well now he's putting the clip back on the pedal. It's a little sensor.
Yeah.
I hope it's not an important washer or something.
Okay, that's on.
That went on that easy?
Yeah. And that's on.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, you lucked out. He lucked out. It clipped right on.
You got that clip right on?
Yeah.
I hate you.
I hate me too.
And Mike already put the brake, not the booster, but the brake master cylinder on there. There we go. I think that was started. Ah. All right. That was excruciating. Now for this plug. I didn't even spill drip. Look at that. They're terrible. Yeah. All right, now we have to bleed the system. And the way to do that, I'll let Michael explain because he likes to explain that.
So, in order to bleed the power steering system on these trucks the proper way, you are to jack up the front of the truck, take the cap off the power steering pump, and turn the wheel back and forth a few times. See if there's any air. If you don't see any air, start the truck for about 30 seconds, shut it off. Repeat the process a couple minutes. If you don't see any air, start the truck, let it run for a few minutes, and then turn the wheel while it's running to help push any more air out. If there is no more air, like you don't see any bubbles or anything coming up, and your levels are good, should be good. Let's get to it.
Now we have the truck jacked up ever so slightly.
And I can't quite see, so Mike, can you raise me?
When you're so short, you need to use the whole lift so you can reach your engine bay.
Did he call me short?
Yeah.
Oh. We're locked in. All right, good. Thank you.
Now he's gonna top off the power steering reservoir. Mike is gonna be our new cameraman.
Ah, I'm honored.
Well, I'm gonna go into the cab and turn the view.
Go ahead. Okay. Go the other way.
Seeing any air there yet, sir?
Oh yeah. Unfortunately, it's all.
You getting any more air out or no?
That's it.
Start it for about 30 seconds and then shut it off.
All right, turn the wheel. when you're doing this, if you have the money, you see what happens if you don't change the power steering pump too. All the dirt comes up to the top that was just clear.
Ooh, that's gross.
Yeah, unfortunately you put that all back through the new hydro pump. But if you're gonna do this on like something that you tow with or use a lot, changing the power steering pump and the hydro boost at the same time keeps that. Oh, the lift moved and I just fell. Stupid lift. So, with that being said, thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And we have lots of future projects on the way, like the C10 finally getting back together. I know we keep mentioning that in our videos, but it is due time to get that going again.
Absolutely. We also have started a budget build LS engine that we're rebuilding with all Amazon parts, so stay tuned for those videos when they come out.
Yeah. So we'll check you out on the next one. Later, guys.
See you.
See ya.